Are you tired of dynamic coupon code errors in Klaviyo? Learn the exact steps to create a working code in under 3 minutes. We'll create an uploaded coupon, fill in your details, fix the name error by removing spaces, and finish with a ready-to-use dynamic code. All right, let's start by clicking on Content in the menu. Then, go ahead and click on Coupons to see your coupon list. Now hit Create Uploaded Coupon to begin setting up a new one. Go ahead and type in your preferred name for the coupon. Next, enter the minimum coupon count you want to create. Then, if you'd like, edit the active dates to set when it's valid. Looks like there's an error with the name, so let's edit that. Click Create Coupon to try submitting again. There's still an error, so how about we remove the spaces from the name? All right, click Create Coupon one more time. There you go. Your coupon is now available and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.